Hello kids, today we will draw a cute snowman. So let's start. First draw a horizontal, rod shape. Draw a curve, then draw the line. Just follow me, and it's done. Draw 2 lines on both sides. Make a little curve and draw a long, oval shape. Well done, we draw a cute cap. Now let's draw the snowman. Now draw a big circle and it's done. Make sure to subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Now let's draw the scarf of Snowman. Just follow me and it will be very easy. Draw the big curve and it's done. Don't forget to draw the end of scarf. Just 2 is enough. Draw some long curve and it's done. It's very easy to draw, so just follow me. Good job, now draw a big curve, like this. Well done, now draw another curve, on the other side also. Wow, it's looking very great. Now draw some snow, on the ground. Make some random curves. Make some more snow on all sides of Snowman. Make sure to subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel to watch more drawing video. Good job, it's looking very beautiful. Now let's draw the hands of Snowman. Just draw 2 lines and don't forget to make the fingers. Do the same thing on the other side also. Just draw 2 lines and don't forget to make the fingers. Well done, it looks very great. Now draw some circle on the stomach. Draw some circle in 1 line. I'm drawing 4 circle, but you can draw as many as you like. Also draw a big circle on head and fill black color. Look, we draw the snowman eyes. Now draw the other eye also. Good job, lastly draw the eyelashes. Just 2 is enough. And don't forget to draw the snowman eyebrows. Make the snowman eyebrows thicker. Lastly, draw the nose of Snowman. Make a cone shape and it pointed. Don't forget to draw a cute smile on Snowman. Just draw a big happy smile. To make it more cute, draw a cute heart. It's looking very cute, so let's draw a small heart. Good job, we complete the drawing. So let's color it. First use red color on hearts. Don't make any mistake, and only color on the hearts. It's looking very great. Now color on the snowman scarf. Color the outline first, then slowly fill the color. Also color at the ends of scarf. It's very easy to draw, so just follow me. Good job, now color on the button of Snowman. Look how cute it's looking. Now use blue color on the hat of Snowman. Color very carefully and don't make any mistake. Do not color on the base of cap. Wow, it's looking very great. Now use orange color on the base of cap. Also use orange color on the snowman nose. Well done, now use brown color on snowman hands. Color very slowly and carefully and don't make any mistake. Also color on the other hand. It's looking very beautiful. Now use sky blue color on the snow. Use the color very lightly and don't color on the outline. To make the snowman shadow, use gray color. Only draw a single line. Make shadow on snowman face and scarf. Also make some shadow under the button. Lastly, make shadow of nose, and it's done. To make it more cute, use white color. First draw a circle on the eyes, also draw a small circle. Good job, now draw the other eye shiny. Also use white color on the scarf. Draw some lines, and it's done. It's very easy to draw, so just follow me. Don't forget to color on the button. Draw some small curve, and it's done. Lastly, draw some line on the snowman cap. Just draw like me, and draw some random line. Lastly, draw some line on the heart. Well done, we complete our drawing. Look how cute it's looking. Make sure to subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel to watch more drawing video.